Hello and welcome. If you are in the print-on-demand industry and you're just looking for some more information, then you've come to the right place. This is just an introduction of myself and my channel. I'm Michelle, and this is Making Merch with Michelle. Welcome to Making Merch with Michelle, helping you design, sell, and scale your print-on-demand business. So just a little bit more about my background and what I plan to do with this channel. I'm Michelle. I live in Kentucky. I am first and foremost a wife, a mother, and a grandmother these days. And I have been in the print-on-demand industry for about 3 years now. I've actually been a nurse for the last 35 years, mostly on the information technology side of nursing. But a couple of years ago, my career path took a little turn, and here I am now talking to you about print on demand. So how did I get here? It all started about 3 years ago with Etsy. I kind of wanted to do a little extra income and help a couple of my daughters out with a little side hustle, basically. And I decided to do print on demand on Etsy. And I did a store that had mainly t-shirts, but other print on demand products too. So that was my first venture into this world. Well, it soon became just my business, though, as the girls didn't have as much time to put into it as I did. But I was kind of having fun. I really kind of enjoyed doing the design work and selling my items and knowing that people are, buying things from me that they like and use every day. I thought it was kind of cool. Then last year, I found myself out of the nursing world and corporate business. So I decided if there was ever a good time for an opportunity, this is it. So I decided to open a Shopify store. There's definitely pros and cons to whether you do Etsy or Shopify. Maybe I'll do a whole video on that in the future. I decided though to go with the Shopify store because I felt like it was more of my business and I had more control over everything that was happening in it. So I started that last year, just about a year ago now, and it has been somewhat successful. I'm still learning, still growing, still trying to make it happen. When I started my adventure in Etsy and in Shopify, I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I know it's crazy you can learn to do anything on YouTube these days, and it truly is how I learned to do everything with both of my stores. So I wanted to kind of give back to everyone and provide and share some of that knowledge that I have also learned along the way. There are a lot of tools that are involved with this process, and so I have a few of my favorites, and those are the ones that I'm going to share with you the most. But let me take a little step back. If you're not familiar with what print on demand is, it is where you will do the design work and you will list and sell your products, but you actually use a third-party company to do the printing and shipping. So they do the fulfillment part of it. It's really a great model because it keeps me from having to buy all the expensive equipment and have all the inventory that it takes to run your own print-on-demand business. There are a lot of print partners out there these days. It's such a popular model and it just continues to grow every day. Specifically though, the print partner that I use the most is called My Designs. And so a lot of this channel actually will be focused on My Designs tutorials. What My Designs does is they actually are kind of an all-in-one shop, which is why I love them so much. And you can go there and do your designs, you can list them, you can do a lot of bulk edits and work in My Designs itself, and they will actually do the printing and fulfillment for you as well. So you literally can go here and do everything. Now, I still kind of use a lot of other tools along the way, but that's just because of my preference. And I'll talk about that maybe some more in some other videos as well. So a lot of the content on this channel will probably start with My Designs tutorials. I'll sprinkle some other information in along the way, and then we'll see where it goes from there. So that's about it. Just a quick introduction to Making Merch with Michelle, and please like and subscribe if you want to hang around and learn a few more things about print on demand. Thank you so much for listening.